If smartphone trends over the last 2 years are any indication, the future is borderless. And that future is here. Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Earlier this year at Mobile World Congress, Vivo showcased its Apex concept smartphone, an all-display phone, no notch, no bezels. And now, we finally have a phone that we can buy. This is our Vivo NEX Unboxing Hands-On. Okay, let's get to it. This is what the box looks like. Over here it says NEX, but we think it's more of a play on what's coming up next. And in case you don't know, Vivo is actually an official sponsor of the 2018 World Cup in Russia. Let's open this up. Here it is, the Vivo NEX. Let's set it aside for now and take a look at what else is inside by pulling this tab here. SIM ejector tool and manuals, wall charger, earphones, and a USB-C cable. All right, let's peel this off so we can power on the phone. Okay, roll spec sheet. Just to get it out of the way, Vivo actually announced two different phones, a mid-range Vivo NEX A, powered by Snapdragon 710, and a flagship Vivo NEX S with the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845. What we're unboxing is the Vivo NEX S. The back is made of 3D glass, inspired by the texture of mother of pearl. It's visible when viewed up close in certain angles, but it's actually very subtle and not flashy. Button and port placements are like this. Right, volume rocker and power button. On the left, a dedicated button for Vivo's own assistant, Jovi. It can identify objects like this tube of lotion. And it shows you similar products sold on Taobao, an Amazon-like website from China. And on its bottom, dual nano SIM card tray, microphone, USB-C port, and speaker grills. On top, there's a headphone jack, microphone, and yep, the retractable selfie camera. Let's see that in action. Now, every time you activate the selfie camera on the camera app, it automatically pops up like this. The dual camera setup at the back enables portrait mode. We'll save camera performance for our full review, but take a look at some quick shots we took using the phone. Of course, up front is the main attraction. All display, no notch, folks. It's worth noting that the bottom bezel is a little bit bigger than the rest of the phone, but definitely much smaller than what's currently out in the market today, and after a while, you'll hardly notice it. Also here on the bottom portion of the phone, yep, this phone also gets the under-display fingerprint scanner. Setting it up is the same process as any other fingerprint scanner. It even asks you to pick the animation you want. Unlock times are quick, not as fast as we're used to, and it doesn't always work on the first try, especially when the display is turned off. So, is the Vivo NEX your gadget match? Of course, we'll have to spend more time with the phone to give you a conclusion. We're actually going to be in Russia for the World Cup, where Vivo is an official smartphone sponsor, so we're shooting our review there. Of course, we'd love to know what you'd like us to find out. Personally, I'd like to find out if an all-display phone really makes a difference and contributes to the overall experience. But of course, I'd love to hear what you have to say, so leave them below. Until the next video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.